I will instruct you and teach you in the way you should go. Many sorrows shall be to the wicked, but he who trusts in the Lord, mercy shall surround him. Be glad in the Lord and rejoice!
詩篇32章8節，上主說：我要引導你走最佳美的人生路，我要勸導你，看顧你。你不可像無知的騾馬，要用上嘴環披頭，才能將它馴服。惡人必多災多難，但倚靠上主的人必須慈愛四面環繞他。順服上主的人啊，靠着他歡喜快樂吧。心裏清潔的人啊，高興歡呼吧。